your girl Renee, and I thought since it was such a beautiful day out here today that we would do a mail call outside. Look how bright and sunny this is. There is no way that we should be inside today. So, you know how we do it when we start our mail call. It's mail call, it's mail call. Look what we got in the mail today. It's mail call, it's mail call. I'm so happy today. Well, I went to my P.O. box a few days ago and I was shocked. I knew one gift was coming, but there was an extra special little gift inside my mail call. So we will do that one first. And that person is a person I know each and every one of you guys know. I know you guys know who this person is. And we all know this person. And this particular person that I am talking about is, of course, Mama J. If you go know about Mama J's Country Kitchen, you better go check out Mama J. Because this woman is such a sweet person. Her spirit is so nice. And she is always uplifting you in prayer and scriptures. And she also always shows you what's happening in her garden. That Mama J, she got stuff growing on over there in her garden. So when you go check out Mama J's Country Kitchen, go ahead and tell her that Miss Renee from Renee's Garden sent you over there. So all right, Mama J, let's see what you brought me. We all love some red mustard greens. Thank you, Mama J. You know this is my favorite, and I definitely will be eating these for sure. Okay. All right, what else is in here? No, you didn't, Mama J. I watched Mama J plant some peanuts, and she harvested some peanuts with her grandson. And so I was saying that I've never planted peanuts before. So Mama J is nice enough to send me some peanuts. All right, Mama J, so you gotta let me know. Do I just put this in the ground like a normal, like if I was planting beans, just put them in the soil and give it good soil amendments, and I'll have my own peanuts? You know what? You know, if Rocky knows that I'm growing peanuts in my garden, you know who's going to definitely be digging around in that pot for sure, and that will be Rocky. So I may have to stand guard over these peanuts, Mama J. But you know I'm going to drop these peanuts in some dirt, and I am going to, fingers crossed, say a prayer over them and let the peanuts start growing. Let's see what else she has in here. Ooh, blue collards. I've never grown blue collards before. And Mama J gave me a whole bunch of seeds to get my blue collards started. So I might have to drop some of these and get these bad boys started. All right. You know what? You're always supposed to start with the little note. So let me see what Mama J's got going on here. So she's telling me that she gave me the mustard greens. I have an elephant ear, Mama J. What? What? Where's the elephant ear? You know I gotta put this paper down so I can say exactly about what Mama J's talking about this elephant ear. It must be in this. Is it in here, Mama J? Is this what we're talking about? All right, well, you know I'm gonna open this big time and see an elephant ear. All right. It's right here. So as I'm doing my mail call, I wish you guys could see this big, huge eagle. It is as big as one of those little crop dusting planes. It's massive. But anyway, here is, and I'm looking at him, and he's flying over here. Hope he don't think I'm holding up some food for him, because he ain't getting this. But thanks, Mama J. I will definitely put this in the ground so I can start growing this elephant ear. And you know I'm so excited about my peanuts. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So I'm going to say thank you again, Mama J. I really appreciate it. You know you didn't have to do it, but you know what? I'm glad you did, because now I can be just like you and grow me some peanuts. And when I do that, I'm going to make a video and I'm going to dedicate it to you for sure, my friend. For sure, because I need your help on the journey of growing my peanuts for the very first time. All right, let's get to the second package that I received. This is the one I knew was coming, so I'm real excited about this one. And this one is from our girl Lily at Angel Loves Gardening. And I usually post up, you know, pre-cut these things open, the packages, but you know, Miss Renee is always slow when it comes to getting prepared sometime for my videos. So we just gonna take the time and we're just gonna open this together. Lily don't be messed around when she be packaging up her packages, but they are, you need a stick of dynamite to get into Lily's packages. But you know what? That ain't gonna stop Miss Renee, because I know what's in here and I cannot wait to show you guys what they are. I'm working on it. Got my scissors. Me and this box, Lily. I'm getting into it. I definitely am. Let me see. I'm almost there. And I don't know about you guys, but there is a lots of pollen floating around in this, you know, out now. So I was like, ugh, I hope I don't start sneezing and stuff on camera. Alright, I got it open. I'm struggling, but I'm going to get this box open. Alright, are you guys ready to see what Lily sent me from Angel Loves Gardening? She had these, and I was so excited when I saw them, and I told her that our $1.25 tree had not gotten them, so she said, don't worry about it, Auntie Renee, I'm going to send you a set. So you guys ready? Lily, are you ready to see what I got going on here, girl? Okay, on the count of 3, a 1, a 2, look! She sent me the little solar lights, the animal solar lights. They have the big eyeballs. So I am so excited. I think this one is like a groundhog. So I am going, I got this one. And she sent me, Lily, you're a trip, girl. She sent me one that looks like Rocky. It looks like it's a squirrel. So I got that one. And you know I'm going to put this right where Rocky can see it and see if it will deter him at night when these things, their eyes glow up. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a sloth. I like it. And then, I think she has one more in here. Let me see. I'm opening it up. Trying to get it open. And she sent me a frog. Isn't the cutest thing? Look at that. So cute. I cannot wait to open this. Make sure I got them all. Because I'm going to put them out in the sun today so they can get all charged up. So when nighttime comes, I'm going to be able to place these around my garden, especially around where Rocky hangs out. So she was nice enough to give me these solar animals with the big eyeballs. Let me see if I can pick them up all at the same time. Aren't these the cutest things? Thanks, Lily. I love you, girl. And I am definitely, like I said, going to put them out so they can get charged up from the sun. Because, child, today, it is one of those sunny days that this will be perfect. So I'm going to leave them on my table out here with me, and I am going to charge these bad boys up and see what they do. Especially this one. I can't wait to see his big eyeballs glow up, because he's a frog. And just between me and you, I have to tell you a story about a frog. That's in another video. Alright, you guys, I just want to say thank you to Mama J, Country Kitchen and Lily from Angel Loves Gardening. Thank you so much for sending me my lovely gifts. You know I will treasure them from my heart. And like I said, if you guys have not checked out those two channels, Angel Loves Gardening, that girl is going to school. She is out there cutting the grass, trying to burn off her calories. And she is a couponer, and she loves gardening just like we do. And she has a pallet garden where she can sit out and just chill out and look at all the beautiful things that she is growing. But I ain't gonna tell you everything about Lily. You got to go on over there and check out her channel and see for yourself. And like I said, when you go check her out at Angel Loves Gardening, tell her Miss Renee sent you, and she would just love you to death, because she is the sweetest person in the world. And you know I love you, Lily. And Mama J, you know I love you as well. I love all my gardening family. But you know what? It's always nice to show how much you love each other, even by just a friendly hello, a nice little card, whatever, a shout out. That always just makes your whole day just a little bit brighter. All right, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to Miss Renee's Garden, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, because that will help my channel. And share out my channel. If you think somebody you know would enjoy my content of what's happening over here in Renee's Garden, because you know, child, there is always something going on over here. All right, with that being said, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you're having a blessed day. And I can't wait to get my hands in some dirt so I can get these peanuts in the ground, and also charge up my solar lights. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.